Okay, it's Wednesday, just 2 more days for this week. Uh, Today we're going to be doing something a little bit different with Dark They Were and Golden-Eyed. Um, go a little further in your book, go to the next chapter, and you're going to get to a radio play of Dark They Were and Golden-Eyed. Now, if you can get to the link that I send you, um, you should be able to access this audio through the textbook. If not, don't worry, it's on YouTube for free. Just make sure you put in the producer, Michael Madonna, uh, Dark They Were and Goldeneye radio play, and that should come up just fine for you there. It's about half hour. Listen to it, and what you're doing is you're comparing and contrasting the difference between uh, the actual short story and the adaptation. And it's going to take you through, um, let's see, it's going to take you through basically what the difference is comparing text to media. Um, and I want you to do a comprehension check, which will ask you to compare and contrast uh, basically what it was like reading the text and what it was like listening to the media. And that's all you need to do. Listen to it and do the comprehension check. Also read media vocabulary so you know the differences between an actual adaptation and the work itself. So you have sound effects, the human voice, and silence. Even though those sound like very, very basic things, they are very important to any kind of adaptation of any literary work. So listen to it, enjoy it, and try to notice the differences and the similarities between the two. Okay, textbook. Whoops, hold on. You're going to be on page 132, changes to life over time. You're going to go all the way down and answer the putting it all together. Looks like there's two questions today on page 136. Go ahead and turn that in a document. And you're going to be doing the constructing triangles part of geometry today on Khan Academy. So go ahead. Looks like there's a couple of videos and a practice. So might be a little shorter today, but that's okay. It'll even out, I'm sure, because we did a lot of math early on, a lot of time. And in your, let's see, yesterday we did changing colonial culture. Today you're going to be on page 132, rivalry in North America. You're going to read that chapter all the way to, it's a very short chapter, to page 134, and you're going to answer the questions there. So you got a couple of short ones today. So all the hard work you've been doing early on has paid off, and I hope you have a great day. And we should be doing a meeting today for anybody who is having trouble with math. I will be putting a Zoom link later on today on the main page. It'll be at 3:30, like when we always have our Zoom meetings. So if you need it, if you need a little bit extra help, I will do my best, and we can meet today at 3:30. All right? You guys have a great day, and I will talk to you tomorrow.